Hi guys, this is DK for Real AF YouTube and short review. Um, this Tuesday, this week, nagkaroon ng warehouse sales si Motorworld and it happens lang na nalaman since within the area kami. Kaya luckily nakapunta kami after shift with Super Lake Motovlogs. So yun, swerte, dalawang item yung nakuha ko. Isang paddock stand, big black, Oxford big black paddock stand. And the other one is this LS2 riding boots or riding sneakers. So, yon. At for this video, si sneakers yung ipapakita ko sa inyo. And this is the LS2 LS2 waterproof boots or sneakers na nakuha ko sa kanila. The only reason kaya hindi ito nabebenta as per their inventory is it looks inverted daw kasi this one itong sa dito sa may toe sa ng sapatos, yun lang yung reason. Actually both category daw niya is parang factory defect or some sort. Pero as you'll notice here, may ilaw ako dito nilagay sa may harap ko. Medyo inverted siya. But nung tinry ko siya, sinuot ko, nilakad ko, tinakbo ko, tinalon-talon ko. Tinry ko rin sa motor. It doesn't affect how you'll walk, how you'll ride your motorcycle. Siguro kung sobrang OZ ka talaga, hindi mo siya kukunin. Pero, uh, for me, sobrang ganda pa ng condition niya. No, walang kahit anong pag-angat dito sa dikit niya, sa pinakang sole niya. And walang crack or any damages on this side, on this part. Wala din problema sa tali. Both left and right part of the sneaker sobrang okay. The tongue is okay. Inside, obviously okay. Sabi sa akin, siguro nasa 7 months, 8 months na tong naka-stock. Store stock daw, hindi lang talaga daw nabebenta. Kaya siya part nung warehouse sale since sobrang dami ng mga items na naka-discount up to 70% off. That will actually the last day will be tomorrow since today is Thursday, the 21st of November. Kaya last day tomorrow. Kung makakadaan kayo, just maybe ask for Motorworld Stop, the exact location, but it will maybe yeah. So I'll just pin it in the comment section or in the description. Pero yun lang talaga, sobrang minor lang nung issue niya for me not to choose and not to purchase this one. Kaya ako siya kinuha. Syempre, bukod sa mga konting dumi, which is normal since tinetest siya ng ibang nasa store and na-test na siya doon sa warehouse, nakita na din. Kaya meron ng ibang dumi sa ilalim, pero nalinis ko na rin siya kaya hindi na masyadong visible. And actually walang damage yung suede eh. Kasi suede type na sneaker or boots siya and waterproof. So that's a bonus. This eh so nawala na yung tagging ko dito pero almost the original price is almost 7 or 6,000 pesos. Pero nakuha ko lang siya ng 1,200. So, ganun lang siya kamura. As you can see guys, sobrang okay pa nitong dalawa nung pair na to. So, mga minor dents lang. Actually, halos wala eh. Wala pa akong nakita na na dent kahit nung nilinis ko siya eh. Then, syempre, may branding siya na ilisa sa likod, sa side, and dun sa tongue. And may nakalagay din dito na waterproof na tagging, which is it is up to this level only. Any water na papasok from this part, from here, so this is waterproof. But anything na papasok from here and this part, mababasa na yung loob, mababasa na yung padding. So be careful kung may ganito din kayo or bibili kayo ng ganito na brand new, be careful lang sa ganung part. And yun lang, siguro magpo-post na lang ako ng short YouTube shorts na suot ko siya kasi as mentioned, this is a very short video only. I think it's about 5-7 minutes long. Just to share this shoes that I purchased from the Motorworld warehouse sale. So, yun lang guys, and hope you have a great weekend and always ride safe. Peace.